Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. First, we'll check the in some global indices, and then we'll discuss the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank level for the next week. And as I promised, I have got one stock which has posted very good Q2 results in last week, and I will discuss its fundamental and technical also. And one most important news about that stock. So stay connected till then and hit the like button now. So let's begin. First, we will check some global indices. So, what happened even in our Indian market? It was very positive last week, even last Friday, and it Nifty 50 was 1% up. Even all was one more than 1% up. Nifty 50 was 1% up, and the Nifty Bank was even 1.76% up. But what happened in global indices? The Dow DJI was minus 1.34%. It was 1.34% down, and Nasdaq was 3% down. So it was negative on Friday, but it was positive. It was positive on Thursday, and the Brent oil is also cooling off. And what about our currency? Currency is stick with the same 82 plus. So it is at the same situation. So now we'll come to the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank. First we'll discuss the Nifty 50. So now we have come to the Nifty 50 charts. Let's see what's happening on the charts. Nifty 50 is trading at 17,185, and it was up even more than 1% on Friday, and it has touched the high of 17,350. So in my last video I've given the level of 17,400 is actually resistance. So it is still intact. It's 17,400 is a resistance for Nifty 50. If it's breaking 17,400 here, then it will definitely go. First, it will go to the 17,700, and then after 17,800. So, definitely after breaking 17,400, it will go, it may go to 17,700 and then 17,800. Let's check what's happening at downside. एक्चुअली अभी तो 16,200 250 is acting as a support. After breaking 17,250, again the 200 EMA of Nifty 50, this blue line, it acting as a strong support. So 16,900 is strong support for Nifty 50, and after that 16,800, which is Nifty 50 not trying to break it. It is taking support. Again, it is taking support. So 16,900 is a strong support for Nifty 50 is still intact. So, what can be the Nifty 50 level for the next week? Nifty 50 from 16,900 to 17,400 can be the trading area for the Nifty 50 for next week. After breaking 17,400, 17,700 can be the next level. So keep your eyes on these level for next week for Nifty 50. Now we'll come to the Nifty Bank. So now we have come to the Nifty Bank charts. Let's see what's happening on the charts. Nifty Bank is trading at 39,300, and it was on Friday it was up even more than 1.5%, and it has touched the high of 39,570. So Nifty Bank is still even trading above 20 EMA. So that shows its positive strength. So Nifty Bank is actually positive. It's trading above 20 EMA. But what can be the level for the next week? So this 39,700 will act as a resistance for the Nifty Bank for the next week. This one, and after breaking 39,700, it may reach to 40,300 here. So First resistance is 39,700, and after that second resistance can be 40,300. And what is happening at downside, let's see. But first see, the Nifty bank is consolidating between the 50 EMA to 20 EMA, this one. So this 38,700 is acting as a support still, that means now, currently. So 38,700 is acting as a support now, and after breaking it, it may reach to it may reach to 37,800 here. It may reach 37,800 can be the next support, but only after breaking this 38,700. So what can be the Nifty bank's trading area for the next week? Nifty bank trading area for the next week can be 37,800 to 39,700. This can be the trading area for next week, or after breaking upper ka side, it may reach to 40,300. So keep your eyes on this level for next week for Nifty bank. So now we have come to that stock, which is Infosys, India's second largest IT service company. Infosys on October 13 reported a net profit of rupees 6,021 for the quarter 2, and it was up 11.1% from rupees 5,421 crore reported in the same quarter of the previous year. And revenue from operation stood at rupees 36,538 crore, clocking a 23.4% growth over rupees 29,602 crore in the Q2 FY22. So company has posted very good results. And one more important thing, that the board of Infosys also announced an interim dividend of rupees 16.50 per share, an increase of rupees and an increase of 10% over the FY22 interim dividend. So company has announced the interim dividend of 16.50 per share. And one more thing, the important news is company also has come up with the buyback decision. So buy a company is giving buying back share worth rupees 9,300 crore in order to reward its shareholder. The firm has set the maximum buyback price at rupees 1,850, a premium of 30% over the last closing price. So the buying back is happening with actually open market buyback for Infosys. In last time happened with TCS. TCS has given buyback with tender route, but the Infosys now giving with open market route buyback. So before discussing its fundamental and buying level, I want to discuss in short some what is buying back for company. Actually, if company giving buying back, that means company has a strong confidence on its management and its fundamental. So there are two mechanisms to complete the buyback. One is tender route, and second is open market route. What I told just now, ki Infosys is coming with open market route buyback. So uh, uh, टेंडर रूट वी विल डिस्कस लेटर. फर्स्ट ओपन मार्केट डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. तो इन दिस मेथड एक्चुअली द कंपनी बाइज बैक शेयर फ्रॉम द ओपन मार्केट and not from the shareholder. In tender route, company buys the share from the shareholder, but in open market route, the company buys back shares from the open market and not the shareholder from the shareholder. The buyback is carried out over a long period because usually a huge number of shares are bought. So Infosys announced an open market buyback at a price not exceeding rupees 1,850. So tender of buyback helps the shareholder to monetize the share immediately, but in open market they will get benefited in the long term. So this is the I have to I discussed the buying back in short. Now we will come to the fundamental and buying level of Infosys. So now we have come to the chart of Infosys and we'll discuss the technical level and its buying level also. But before that, I want to mention one more thing, that company is maintaining the margin of 21.5%, which is incredible in this IT, where the IT companies are not doing well. In this situation, if company is posting that maintaining the margin of 21.5%, which means it means incredible. And वन मोर थिंग, जैसे आईटी कंपनी आर एक्चुअली एक्सपेक्ट, अभी तो आईटी कंपनी का टाइम ठीक नहीं चल रहा है, इज गोइंग विद द मींस गोइंग इन वर्स्ट सिचुएशन. But yes, if IT company are expected to benefit from the rupees depreciation against the dollar. मतलब कि जो INR में डेप्रिसिएशन हो रहा है, इससे आईटी कंपनी को डेफिनेटली फायदा होगा इन फ्यूचर. सो now we will discuss the fundamental of Infosys. You can check the fundamental here. Company is in comes in top 10 of, according to the market cap. Company's market cap is over 6,20,339 crore. And as I told, that stock P is 27.1, as actually IT company still is in higher, on its higher valuation. Their 10-year average P is actually less than their current P, and current P is of Infosys comes on first. The Infosys is on top, जहाँ पे कंपनी का जो स्टॉक पी स्टिल इवन नाउ, इवन आफ्टर फॉलिंग drastically, stock P is 27%, which is more than its 10-year average P. So company is still available on higher valuation. So this is the time you should buy, you should invest in IT stocks, especially the blue chip IT stock, because before कि ऐसा ना हो कि you will be late then, because company is, IT sector is still not doing good, but the future in 23, 24, 25 is going to be very good for IT sector. So इससे पहले कि देर हो जाए, हमको जाग जाना चाहिए. But this is actually completely all your decision. So stock P is 27.1 and ROC is 37.1%, which is actually very, very good. Return on equity, ROE, is 29%, which is again very good. Dividend yield 2.10%, means 2.1%, and companies already, just I told you, companies giving 16.50 per share dividend. So this is again an extra income for you all. So dividend yield is very good of Infosys, 2.1. Debt to equity is almost debt free company, 0.08, negligible actually. EPS is 54.4. Operating profit margin, as I told you, 24.4%, and company is still maintaining it even this situation, this worst situation, where the US market is going down, recession is happening, inflation is happening. Companies doing, IT companies, even in India, IT companies are doing very well. So all these are fundamental I have discussed. You can go through. Now I will discuss the technical level. So what happened because of this buyback news? Company was actually up. Infosys was up by 4 to 5% on Friday, and Nifty actually on. If I will show the high level, company was trading here somewhere. Yes, company was trading at 1950. It was all time high. Infosys का all time high था 1950. From there it fallen till here. It 1350, 1350 तक it came down. Means it was almost from ATH, if you see, from all time high to this, it was actually almost 30% down. This it was on 30% down. यहाँ पे जिन्होंने ले लिया होगा, दे माइट बी लकी. अब ये आएगा कि नहीं आएगा नीचे, आई डोंट नो, I cannot predict, but I can only guess, I can only research, and I can only study. So abhi it was here 13 even in means September May. In September it was trading at 1350. Now it has come, it has crossed its 20 EMA, 50 EMA also. Now yeah, on last Friday it was trading here at 1474, matlab 1470 it was trading, and it was 4 to 5% was 4 to 5% up on Friday. So what can be the level? RSI is also very good. Weekly RSI भी बहुत अच्छा है, and daily RSI is also is very positive, showing strength. Means Infosys is now going to fly. So I will now discuss some levels. As I told you, it was down 30% from its all time high. तो 30% के डिस्काउंट पे मिल रहा था ये ऑन सितंबर के महीने में. अभी तो नाउ आफ्टर बाइंग बैक डिसीजन, अब ये कहाँ जाएगा पता नहीं, बट यस अभी एक रेजिस्टेंस है इसका 1500 पे हियर. सो इफ आई विल डिस्कस द लेवल्स, एक सपोर्ट है, इट सपोर्ट वन सब फर्स्ट सपोर्ट इज 1460 here. First support is 1460. If it comes here, if it's breaking here 1460, it may reach to 1420 और 1400 तक भी जा सकता है यहाँ पे भी. तो 1400 के पास या 1380 ऐसा इस जगह पे 1380 टू 1400 के पास इट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड डिमांड जोन. तो दिस इज द लेवल 1380 टू 1400 1420 फॉर इज द बाइंग लेवल फॉर इन्फोसिस. और उसके बाद क्या होगा इफ इट्स ब्रेकिंग द 1500, आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग द 1500 या 1550, एक मान लीजिए 1500 to 1550, it will, after breaking this blue line, this 200 EMA, it may reach to 1650 here 1650, एंड देन 1650 के बाद लॉन्ग टर्म. अगर ये तो 1650 तो आई एम टेलिंग यू फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म टू मिड टर्म. शॉर्ट टर्म टू मिड टर्म 1650 डेफिनेटली इट विल कम इफ निफ्टी का सिनारियो अच्छा रहता है तो. और लॉन्ग टर्म, फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म से, तो लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए 1750 विल बी द टारगेट. शॉर्ट टर्म टू मिड टर्म कैन बी 1650. So this can be the I told you the buying level also, and I told you the target also for mid term to long term. And this is the blue chip IT stock, and very good time to invest in IT sector, IT stocks. Even I discussed that TCS also earlier, the levels and all, and TCS also posted a very good result. But as I discussed TCS earlier, so I picked the Infosys. So I will come up with more stocks which are posting very good Q2 results. I will discuss their results, their fundamental, their buying level, their target also. For that, you keep watching my videos regularly and keep liking it. So signing off.